Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a link in Pinterest. First of all, what you have to do is select one of the app or social media that you want to copy the link of, as I'm going to choose the YouTube. And from here, I'm going to select the video. And what you have to do is tap on the share, and on the bottom you can see the copy link option. Tap on the copy link and go back to the Pinterest. And what you have to do is, when you go to the Pinterest, on the bottom right corner there's your me icon. Select that. After that, top left corner there's your profile icon. Tap on the profile icon and go to the view your profile. Over here select edit profile and scroll a bit, and here we can see the website. What you have to do is simply paste the video or the link that you've just copied, and after you're done, in the top right corner we can see the done option. Tap there, and this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.